Now we have Seth Holm that's going to give us an update on how the financial markets are responding. Seth, what you got?
So thanks, Zach. Today I have a chart of the S&P 500 against the 10-year bond yield. And so the S&P 500 is in white on the right-hand scale, and the 10-year bond is in purple on the left-hand scale. And so, surprise, surprise, the stock market hates tariffs. All politics aside, every time we've had a tariff announcement, the stock market plunges. And this week was no different. Looking here at the chart in early 2018, we got our first kickoff of the tariff announcements. The market dropped by about 10%. We all know about the huge drop that we saw in Q4. We had one in May, and then we just had one in this latest week with the round of 10% on the next 300 billion.
Wow, so the stock market obviously does respond very rapidly to the tariff announcements. And now we have the 10-year bond curve. What's happening there?
Unfortunately, bonds as well are predicting negative things. Now, it doesn't mean that they have to be right, but last week we saw the 10-year bond yield, the yield fall from about 2.05% to 1.6% today. And the second thing that the bond world continues to predict is we have a yield curve inversion. And that is when the 3-month Treasury bill is trading above the 10-year Treasury bond. And that has been going on for 3 months now, and it's the deepest level of that going back all the way to 2007.
So you think that this is actually one of the longest running inversion that we've had in a long time? Is that right?
I'm not exactly sure about the longest, but it's the deepest going back all the way to 2007. And so the reason why this really matters is the yield curve inversion is the best recession indicator that the financial markets have. It's 11 for 12 going back like 50 years and predicting recessions.
Wow, concerning stuff. Thanks for the update, Seth. Certainly something to watch in the next coming months. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more updates from FreightWaves.com.